So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin panibago pong rumor na nilabas po kabola nitong si Snow Badwa. So yung pag-uusapan natin kabola, and then of course pag-uusapan natin Game 3 ng mga semi-final series at mga comments po ng mga fans. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button, comment muna tayo ng mga fans. Luisito Sis, makukuha ninyo si Troy, malakas na team ng Ginebra. Oo naman, diba? Pag nakuha nila si Troy, he will be a perfect fit kabola right now in the current roster po of Ginebra. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi naman ni Sir Ronald Barbizadad. Malyari Mascarinhas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Malyari, thank you. Regards to Troy, it will be at SMC through SMB. Why? Because Boss Ramon told so to Boss Chua. So, actually, hindi yan yung naririnig natin kabola. Hindi mo pa narinig. TNT daw kabola nakiusap na sa SMC na arborin na lang po daw nila si Troy Rosario. Then, Gennaro San Juan, Mikey Williams na lang kunin ng GSM kung di pwede si Troy kabola. I'm not sure Mikey Williams is now a good fit for Ginebra. Nung wala pa sigurong RJ at saka Stephen Holt. Pero now na merong RJ, Stephen Holt, kabola, parang sobrang loaded na sila with players that needs the ball. So, idadagdag mo pa yung Mikey Williams. Parang sobre-sobre na yung kabola. So, I'm not sure that it will be a perfect fit. Now, dito sa mga nagaganap po ngayon sa game, sa semis kabola. So, naka 2-1 ng Rain or Shine. Ito kanilang series with against TNT kabola. Ito was a hard-fought battle kabola, pero they finally win. That's 2-1. Clearly, TNT is still the better team kabola. This win by Rain or Shine though, ang maganda dito is pace nila. High scoring kabola. So it's a good sign kabola. And alam naman natin na Rain or Shine sanay yan kabola na nananalo ng series na pahirapan yun sa kanila pero yung mga talo na nila tambakan. Yan yung nangyayari sa quarters, diba? Kabola. So actually this is again an interesting battle of offense against defense. Doon naman po sa labanan po ng mga SMC squads kabola, I'm really, in a way, disappointed with the performance of the coaching staff. Primarily po sa San Miguel kabola. Game 3, obviously, the defense of Ginebra was working. I mean, it's just that, how did the Beermen fail, or the coaching staff fail to make even good adjustments? Kahit good adjustments lang ba? Kung ba't just mga good moves ba, kabola? Parang pag nakita mo kasi yung game 3, pag pinanood mo ng mabuti kabola, parang hindi na nila na ayos-ayos kumbaga na ma-work out yung depensa po ng Ginebra. And that really, of course, killed them. Ang problema ko dito kabola is that they have a clear advantage. Pajardo clear yan. Yes, Aguilar kabola, hindi na niya kaya natapatan si Pajardo for 48 minutes. And still, offense pa yung naging problema na rin game 3. So, it's really disappointing. Fans are now growing. Their angers, kabola, are growing, kabola. And even calling for the firing of Coach George Gallant before game 4, kabola. Ano po? Now, speaking of San Miguel Beermen, kabola, they are the ones involved daw. Dito nga po sa rumor na nilabas po ni Snow Badwa. Kung hindi nyo po nabasa, ito yon. Players of this team are no longer happy with how their team management and coaching staff relate to them. Dictatorial. Most of their players would want to pick their cases. So, first clue yan yung cases, diba? So, of course, ginagamit yan, cases, case number, diba? And hope a new team will acquire them. Ever notice the lack of effort from some players? Gusto nyo ng clue? Sana may bago ko maisip. Sana may bago, that's SMB, diba? Sana S, my M, bago B. So, the San Miguel Beermen. Now, nakakapagtaka ba yan? Hindi, diba? You can actually see the way the coaching staff, kabola, and the players, diba? Yung struggle po ni Chris Ross and ni Austria. Remember, may mga gano'n na silang banatan, kabola. So, overall, di yan nakakapagtaka. Nakakapagtaka ba that they want to move to another team? I'm not sure about that though. If they are really looking to move to another team, maybe they are looking to move in one of the other SMC teams, pero not really siguro outside the SMC. Kasi again, financial matters, diba? So, kabawala, ano sa palagay mo? Sino kayo yung mga players na gusto na pong lumipit from San Miguel Beermen? Comment lang po sa baba.